How to fix Spotify not playing in background on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or applications, and here you will search just for Spotify only. And when you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage guys, just go to clear data and click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK, and you will back on Play Store and update your Spotify application again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.